Principles of ISO 14001 Foundation. Sustainability is not only a trendy term in today's economic world, it is a need. Stakeholders and the general public.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Are putting increasing pressure on organizations to minimize their environmental effect through responsible operations. The internationally renowned ISO 14001 standard offers an environmental management systems (EMS) framework. This standard provides an adaptable and scalable framework that businesses of all sizes may utilize to enhance their environmental performance. The goal of the ISO 14001 Foundation course is to familiarize professionals with the fundamentals of this standard and set the stage for successful environmental management procedures inside their companies.
Understanding ISO 14001. ISO 14001 is part of the ISO 14000 family of standards. These additional standards address a variety of initiatives included in environmental management. Its main feature and purpose are to provide a model for organizations looking to improve their environmental performance, to reduce resource usage, waste production, and financial expenditures by reducing energy consumption and employing other methods to achieve those reductions to gain a competitive advantage and stakeholder credibility. The ISO 14001 Foundation course provided a brief introduction to the key components of an environmental management system, EMS, and their potential integration into business operations. This course allows familiarization with the general requirements of the standard and enables you to start working on compliance so that continual improvement in environmental management practices can be raised across organizations. Core principles of ISO 14001. The ISO 14001 standard is based on several core principles that play an important role in the ongoing formation and implementation of an effective EMS. These principles include environmental policy. This is the foundation of the EMS and ensures an organization's commitment to environmental stewardship. It describes what it aims to achieve and where it is going regarding ecological performance, guiding decision-making and action at all levels. It must be congruent with the organization's goals and adequately articulated, with senior management involved in development and implementation. Planning. This is where the organization assesses the environmental effect of its actions, goods, or services. This is a key step in developing specific environmental objectives and targets. The planning process would also entail understanding the legal and regulatory requirements, assessing the firm's risks, and developing methods to mitigate the potential for environmental repercussions. Implementation and operation. This is where plans become active and implemented. It entails establishing processes or training to be delivered and managing the linked human resources in terms of their responsibilities in accomplishing environmental goals. This phase includes resource provision, document control, and communication of procedures and processes, ensuring that the EMS is operational throughout the business. Monitoring and measurement. Organizations should frequently evaluate and measure organizational environmental performance to ensure the efficiency of their EMS systems. This might include actions such as establishing KPIs, conducting internal audits, and reviewing compliance status with environmental legislation or other appropriate monitoring methods. It is a proactive method that enables firms to monitor success, identify areas for improvement, and adapt plans as needed. Checking and corrective action. Checking is the process of analyzing the EMS for non-conformity and improvement area analysis. Corrective action is then taken to guarantee that suitable actions are taken in response to such discoveries, assisting a business in continuously improving its environmental performance. This procedure is critical for ensuring that the EMS remains effective and useful for both internal and external requirements. Management review. The top management, from time to time, will review the EMS to ensure that it remains effective and relevant to the fulfillment of the strategic objectives of the organization. Through such reviews, the management checks the performance of EMS on an ongoing basis concerning changing external and internal elements to make the relevant policy and procedure alterations. Continuous improvement, a core value of ISO 14001, organizations are to express commitment to continually improve environmental performance by setting new objectives, polishing procedures, and incorporating new technology. This constant endeavor ensures organizations stay updated with the requirements, meet stakeholder expectations, and contribute to sustainable development. Benefits of ISO 14001 Foundation. Implementing ISO 14001 offers several benefits, including improved environmental performance, systematic reduction of environmental impact for sustainable operations. Regulatory compliance enables compliance with legal and regulatory requirements, reducing fines and sanctions. Enhanced reputation. Certification signifies a commitment to the environment, improving the company's reputation. Cost savings. Efficient resource use and waste reduction lead to cost savings. Increased employee engagement. EMS involves all employees in environmental management, fostering a culture of sustainability and responsibility.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.